at 8 January 2021. And this is about the stray vacancy round for MBBS for all AIMS institutions to be held on 12th January 2021 at 8:30 a.m. So the stray vacancy round for all the 19 colleges that comes under AIMS is going to be held on 12th January at 8:30 a.m. at JL Auditorium, AIMS New Delhi. So it's a centralized counseling for all the 19 AIMS that's going to be held in New Delhi. We all know that MCC has already released an eligibility list, but in addition to that, now AIMS is also going to release a eligibility list. So to participate in AIMS stray round, you need to register with AIMS website, and then the registration will close on 10th January 4 p.m. So take note of this time. You have to register with AIMS for stray vacancy round before 4 p.m. on 10 January 2021. And once the candidates have registered and shown some interest for AIMS, within that, candidates who have registered, AIMS will release a merit list on 10th January itself. So tomorrow 4 p.m. you have to register, and then later the same day AIMS will release a merit list. Only those candidates who are in that merit list will be eligible to participate in counseling on 12th January. So remember, the first thing, you should have registered with MCC. And if you have registered with MCC for stay round, you can also register with AIMS for the stay round. So 2 levels of registration is needed. And if your name comes out in the list to be released by AIMS tomorrow on 10 January, then you need to have the registration slip of MCC. You need to have the registration slip of AIMS. And then you need to have all the original documents. For example, you need to have the date of birth proof, which can be given by your 10th mark sheet or birth certificate, whichever you have. Then you need your NEET scorecard. You need your NEET admit card. If you belong to any certain category like OBC, SC, ST, or economically weaker section, you need the certificate. You need the 12th passing mark sheet. And then you also need a set of self-attested copies of all certificates. So you need to make a photocopy of all your original certificates. And then in the photocopy, sign yourself. The candidate has to sign on the photocopy and then write self-attested. In addition, you also need your transfer certificate. The transfer certificate is also important. You need to have that. Now let's look at how to register for AIMS. So the registration for AIMS, this is the link. So you can see here, this is the registration form for stray vacancy round of MBBS for all AIMS for 2020 session. You need to fill the name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, your NEET roll number, NEET overall rank, and then what category you belong to, whether unreserved, OBC, SC, ST, EWS, select accordingly. Then if you are persons with disability, then select yes. If not, select no. Then your mobile number and email ID. Make sure you enter the mobile number and email ID correctly. And then click confirm above is true. And then below you also click I agree. Make sure that I hereby understand that I'm not holding a seat allotment in any medical college or institute across the country for MBBS. So you cannot hold a seat somewhere and then maybe you find a way to get the originals. Okay, so you cannot hold a MBBS seat and attend the AIMS. The first thing, you need the originals, but some people might be able to get the originals even though they are holding a seat. Even that is not allowed. If the college comes to know about you are holding a seat and attending AIMS counseling, maybe you will have a bigger problem. So once you fill these details, you can click save and print. Okay, and then if you have not printed, you can also, after saving, you can also later use your email ID, mobile number and print it. Okay, either way, you can do that. So this is very, very important. Make sure that you register for AIMS if you are interested in participating in the counseling. I will provide a link to the notice as well as I will provide a link to the registration in the description below.